These may look and sound like regular earbuds, but they can do something that you may or may not have heard before. The Scene's Lifelike ASMR earbuds allow you to record 3D or binaural audio with your headphones for less than $150. As a content creator, this is something that I feel will really help enhance the video experience. Although these are not really for listening to music, they might fit better than any earbuds I've ever owned. I don't want to spend a whole lot of time talking about specs and getting into the technology. I'd just rather show you guys how these work. However, for the folks that like the specs, let's just list down the binaural recording, which I told you guys already. It's got 2 built-in omnidirectional microphones to create immersive, panoramic 3D-like recordings. Lifelike Sound is the professional codec chip, and HRTF algorithms ensure high-fidelity experience of recording audio playback. You don't need to use an extra app, which is actually pretty cool. It's got an MFI-certified Lightning connector that enables recording with the iPhone and iPad camera and voice memos. Yeah, unfortunately, if you don't have an iPhone or an iPad, you can't use this. The ergonomic design, which I just mentioned, these fitting really well. They got a patented shark gill-shaped earbud, which fits perfectly and comfortably in multiple sizes. And of course, it's got an inline remote with microphone for music play on iOS 9.3 or later. So with all that out of the way, let me go ahead and just end this video with some samples. If you guys have any questions, hit me up in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Of course, if you're stopping by for the first time, hit that subscribe button. If you want to pick these up, links are in the description. You guys take it easy and have a good day. So you guys saw the drone footage, and I went back and listened to it, and Joel went back and listened to it. And what did you think about that?
It was weird, especially you could just tell where exactly the drone was.
Right.
Just from the sound.
Yeah, so start talking now.
So the drone would fly around. You can tell if it was above you, how far away it was by the loudness.
He was flying the drone around as I was playing back the footage, and I thought that was the actual drone flying past me, because the headphones do allow, like, you can hear around you as you're listening to the audio on there, but I mean, that was just so crazy as you were flying around me and how that was coming off and just how well that sounded. So $150 for these. That is crazy as far as I'm concerned. And you thought the same thing. And by the way, that drone is awesome.